my public space. Yo, y'all gotta back up, guys. Y'all gotta back up. Y'all gotta back
Look
up.
at that. 2 cops for 1 guy.
Unconstitutional. I'm not abiding by that policy. That policy is unconstitutional. I'm protesting my right to be in a public space. I am not leaving. I have no threat. Why are y'all doing me? What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking?
In a vibrant public space in San Antonio, a man was breakdancing, exercising his right to self-expression when he was confronted by security guards and police officers. The First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution explicitly states, Congress shall make no law abridging the freedom of speech or of the people peaceably to assemble. This dancer, a resident of the city, was not soliciting money or causing a disturbance, yet he faced immediate aggression from authorities. 2 police cars and multiple officers descended on him, demanding he leave a public forum, Market Square, which he rightfully claimed as his space as a taxpayer. The confrontation escalated without any clear explanation of what law he was breaking, highlighting a disturbing overreach by law enforcement.
Daniel, how you doing, officer? I don't know. What's the problem? What they say? They didn't tell me nothing.
You're supposed to be out here, sir.
I'm not supposed to be out here?
Yeah.
Why is that?
It's not out here. Whatever. You got vendors here as private property. Then what's on here? Yeah.
This is private property. This is a public forum. I'm sorry?
Market Square.
San Antonio. Yeah, and this is not private. Can you get closer?
You just want to be out here.
They pay every week.
Yeah. So you consider to be like a vendor.
No, I'm not a vendor. I'm not asking for money.
I know, but you're out here. You're dealing with their properties. You're gonna have to take off.
This is not their property. I'm a resident of San Antonio. I'm simply expressing myself.
Okay, but you can't do it here, then.
Yes, I can. This is a public space.
You can't be. It's their space, man.
This is their space. The vendors own the Market Square.
No, not vendors. Market Square owns it.
Market Square owns it. San Antonio owns it.
Yes, you can't be out here. Okay, it's like they go into your front yard, dancing in your
Front
driveway,
yard.
not wanting to leave.
I pay taxes. This is my market. I am allowed to enjoy my market as I am a resident.
Okay, you're gonna have to take off, man. Or you're gonna
I'm not taking off.
Yeah, you're gonna
I'm not taking off.
You're gonna go to jail?
I'm not taking off.
Criminal trespassing. So that's one.
It's not trespassing. I'm enjoying my public space. Yo, y'all gotta back up, guys. Y'all gotta back up. Y'all gotta back
Look
up.
at that. 2 cops for 1 guy.
Unconstitutional. I'm not abiding by that policy. That policy is unconstitutional. I'm protesting my right to be in a public space. I am not leaving. I have no threat. Why are y'all doing me? What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking?
Look at that. They
What
called
law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking?
2 cops for 1
What law
guy.
am I breaking? What law am I breaking? Back up, guys. I'm not a threat. What law am I breaking? 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 No, I don't. You're not going to oppress me and take away my constitutional rights.
The dancer repeatedly asked, "What law am I breaking?" but received no clear answer, as officers insisted he was trespassing on what they claimed was private property. The Supreme Court has affirmed in cases like Hague versus CIO 1939 that the right to use public spaces for expressive activities is a cornerstone of free speech, provided it does not substantially interfere with others' rights. Market Square, as a public forum, is precisely the kind of space where such expression is protected. Yet the officer's actions suggested an attempt to suppress this right. The dancer's insistence on his constitutional protections was met with physical restraint, with handcuffs applied so tightly they caused pain and left marks. This excessive force for a non-threatening act like breakdancing reveals a failure to uphold the principles of serve and protect, instead prioritizing control over liberty.
What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? Can you tell me, sir? 9538. What law am I breaking?
9538.
554.
554.
What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? I'm breakdancing in a public space. What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? What law am I breaking? I'll tell you again, what law am I breaking? Let's go. So you wanna do this? So you wanna do this? All right. Hey man, you better not touch me like that. Respect my rights. Aren't you supposed to serve and protect? I'm not a criminal. I am breakdancing. Look how hard he put these cuffs. Get these cuffs. Look how tight they are. They're cutting off my circulation. Look how tight they are. They fucking hurt, bro. They fucking hurt. Take these. Let them go. I'm not moving. You let my cuff go. You let my cuff go. You are depriving me of my rights. You are depriving me of my rights. Please let go of my cuffs. These cuffs
They
are hurting
arrested
me.
him for
These cuffs are hurting me.
exercising his First Amendment right. All he was doing was expressing himself.
Can you unlock them?
Lock him down.
Thank you. bro. I'm dancing. We were good. You can arrest me, but damn, why do you have to have them so tight? Not breaking any law.
Yeah, look how tight those cuffs are.
Oh. Fucking cuffs hurt, dude. Hurry up, dude. These fucking cuffs hurt, bro. The fuck that? You have them fucking tight as fuck, fucking asshole.
It's cool. We
Depriving
got.
me of my right. You can't even tell me what I'm breaking.
Look at that.
You can't even tell me what
Look
law
at that.
I'm
He has
breaking.
lines on his hand. Look at that. It's all right. We got their badge numbers. It's all right.
Fucking asshole. Remember this shit.
We'll see y'all in
I'm
court.
good. What are you doing? Thank you for unlocking them. Thank you. Thank you. Make sure you get all my equipment. It's very expensive.
Yo, G, you want me to get the equipment?
You're despicable.
You want him to take your equipment?
You're a whack. You're a whack.
You want him to take it or not?
You gotta take it, see?
All right, got you.
You want to take his phone? You want him to take his phone?
Yeah. I'm taking it. It's all right.
Phone. That's it, right?
Yeah. All right. Y'all don't need to talk to me. I'm just documenting. Two cars for one man, one guy. 2 squad cars for one guy. All he was doing was expressing himself. He was not asking for money. Expressing yourself is a right under the First Amendment of the Constitution. This has been going on for 11 years. They're still trying to get rid of us.
This incident is not an isolated case, but part of a pattern. As the dancer noted, it has been going on for 11 years. The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable seizures, yet the dancer was detained without clear justification, his equipment confiscated, and his rights dismissed. The lack of transparency from the officers, who failed to articulate any specific violation, points to a systemic issue where law enforcement oversteps in regulating public expression. The dancer's arrest for simply dancing in a public space raises critical questions about how authorities wield power and whether they are trained to respect constitutional boundaries. By documenting badge numbers and vowing to pursue justice in court, the dancer and his supporters are taking a stand against this abuse, reminding us that protecting free expression requires vigilance and accountability. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.